Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a golf club head. Begin by confirming the club type and matching the replacement head to the shaft adapter. Remove the old head carefully using heat and pull techniques while protecting the shaft. Clean and prepare the shaft tip, dry fit the new head, then apply epoxy evenly and set alignment marks. Allow full cure time before trimming excess and regripping for safe play. Start by placing the club in a padded vise or support to protect the shaft. Warm the hosel gradually with a heat source until the adhesive softens, then use steady pulling force or a shaft puller to remove the head. Avoid sudden jerks to prevent shaft splintering. Once separated, clean the shaft tip with solvent and sandpaper until smooth, ensuring a snug, true fit for the replacement head before any epoxy is applied. Dry fitting helps confirm loft, lie, and rotation before gluing. Mix the epoxy to the recommended ratio and coat the shaft tip and hosel interior evenly. Slide the new head on with consistent pressure, align the face using marks or a jig, and remove any excess epoxy promptly. Clamp or hold the assembly in place perpendicular to the ground until the adhesive sets, then let the club cure undisturbed for the full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.